I'll show you how I revamped this wig, taking it from this which you see here to this which you see right now. If you want to see how you can revamp your wigs, please keep on watching. Let's get right into the video. First, I'm going to brush through the hair to completely detangle it. And after detangling the hair, I'm going to now put it in the sink, pour water on the wig, and start washing it. I poured my shampoo all over the hair, and the shampoo I'm using is the AP Moroccan shampoo. I used my hands to scrub through the hair just to take out the dirt that are in the wig, all the dirt that are trapped in the wig cap, the strands of the hair. Just wash it out and then rinse it off just to ensure that all of that dirt starts to slip out of the hair. So I'm going to keep on pouring water to rinse it out until the water is kind of clear and clean. So I'm going to keep on rinsing the hair until it's no longer foaming or soapy. At this point right now, it's no longer as soapy as it was before, and you can see that the water coming out of the hair is kind of clean. So I'm going to apply my conditioner, and it's the olive conditioner. I poured a generous amount in there and spread the product all over the hair. Next, I'm going to add my keratin treatment on the wig after I've completely ensured that the conditioner has been spread all over the entire hair. I'm now going to get to my keratin treatment, which is this one right here. I took a generous amount and I spread it all over the wig. I'm going to use my hands to ensure that I spread the product all over from the top of the hair all the way to the tip of the hair. And I'm also going to add my castor oil, just the cover of the castor oil, and also spread it all over the wig. Next, what I'm going to do after I've spread the product all over the all over the hair with my hands is I'm just going to pack up the entire hair and just fold it into the wig cap. I'm going to heat it up in my microwave for about 3 minutes. If you don't have a microwave, you can use like hot water. Just put the hair inside hot water for some time, and then after you put the hair in your hot water for about, let's say, 20 minutes, you can then rinse off the hair, air dry it, and now it's time to style the hair. I noticed that the closure on this hair was really long, so what I did was just to comb it forward and just cut it out at an equal length in front. So now I want to start the process of styling the wig. I just try to define a middle part and started to comb through the hair. Next, what I'm going to do now is to section of the upper part of this wig, and after I section of the upper part of the wig, I'm going to clip it away to allow me to start the process of styling the wig in very small sections. So I'm going to apply my Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to this small section of the hair right here to serve as my moisturizer. I'm going to comb through the hair and then spray my heat protectant spray all over the hair. The heat protectant spray I'm using is from Delofil. It's the Argan Magic Complex heat protectant spray. This one right here. I just spread it all over the hair generously, and then I'm going to comb through the hair and start coiling the hair. And to coil the hair, I'm going to use a 25 millimeter coiling wand, and I start with the hair on the right side of the wig and I curl the hair to go in the leftward direction. So after the hair has taken a heat for a few seconds, I pull out the coiling wand and use my hairpin to pin the coils on top. I'm going to keep on cutting out small sections of the hair, combing through it and coiling it using that coiling wand. So I'm going to just wrap that hair all around the coiling wand until I fed all the hair through the coiling wand and there's nothing left there. Then I'm going to hold up the hair for a few seconds before I pull out the coiling wand. And when I pull out the coiling wand, I'm going to use my hairpin to pin the hair up there. If you're watching this video so far and you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly click the subscribe button right below and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads from our channel. Also, if you haven't bought our ebooks, hair extensions and how to test its quality, how to start your hair business ebook, please click the link in the description box to purchase these ebooks or send me a DM on Instagram or on TikTok, and I'll send you the links on how to purchase this book. And take note, these books are very affordable. They usually retail for 7,000 naira and 5,000 naira, which is less than $15 for the two of the books, for both books. So they are very affordable. So just get these books, get the knowledge that you need to start your hair business, to grow your hair business, to thrive, to just keep you motivated, to just keep on going while you're on your business journey. So guys, I'm gonna keep on coiling the hair until I have coiled it all the way to the top part of the wig. At this point right here, the whole coiling process is pretty repetitive. So I'm just going to let you watch me coil the hair until we get to the top of the wig cap. Yeah, I know curling your hair can be a very stressful process. It gets very exhausting, especially if you're even coiling like you're sewing on your head. You have to twist your hand and all that. But just try to be patient and coil your hair really well. Make sure you also get the tools and products that you need to coil your hair, your moisturizer, your heat protectant spray, your hairpins. All of having all those tools and products just makes the process a lot more easier. So I'm trying to call the closure area right now. So what I did was just to define the middle part, and then I cut out a small section of hair. I sprayed my heat protectant spray on the hair. I combed through the hair, and I wanted to start coiling it. So I used my coiling one sort of flatten the hair around the closure area. Then I remembered I haven't moisturized the hair, so I went back in with my Moroccan argan oil serum, applied it on the hair, combed through it, and now I'm going to now first sort of straighten the hair a bit and then start to coil it. I keep on feeding the hair through the coiling wand until I get to the very tip of the hair, and then I let the hair take the coils, and then I pull out the coiling wand and pin the hair. So I'm going to keep on doing this until I get to the other side of the wig. Begin to also comb through it, apply my Moroccan argan oil serum on that part of the hair, comb through it again, and also start sectioning the hair cutting the hair in small sections and then coiling it. Don't forget to spray heat protectant spray before you coil the hair. So I coiled the hair, and when it has taken the heat, I'm going to pull out the coiling wand and pin the hair up there. And I'm going to keep on cutting this other part of the hair in small sections and, coiling through until I have coiled the last part of this hair. If you're getting value from this video so far, please make sure you smash the like button and share the video with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. Thank you so much for watching my videos on YouTube. Thank you for sharing these videos. Thank you for supporting the channel by becoming a channel member so you have access to our exclusive videos. We're going to be having our Telegram community coming up next year. So if you want access to exclusive content, join our Telegram community. This will probably be the last video that I put out on YouTube in 2024, or probably 1st of January 2025. Yeah, but I'll probably take a break from YouTube and just focus on the Telegram community. So, yeah, that's what we're going to be doing for 2025. I don't know what the plans are for our YouTube channel in 2025, but not sure yet. Probably have to just ask God for direction and and know what I'll do with the channel. Probably I might just start putting out a different kind of content. Not sure yet, but most of my tutorials from 2025 are going to be for Telegram. So I'm starting the closure area right now. I sprayed my heat protectant spray, applied my hair wax, and I'm using the hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. After flattening the hair around one side of the wig, I use my hand to just ensure that the curls are still going in the right direction, and I do the same thing on the other side, comb through the hair and flatten it to get it to look as nice as I want it to be. Come through. Use the coiling one to flatten the hair, smoothing it out with my hands. That's towards the like the tips of the hair that looks a bit rough. I'm going to use my hands and smoothing it out so that I can look really nice. Yes. So guys, I'm going to use my concealer right now to just define the pattern of that wig. Yeah, and after I apply the concealer right there, you can see how nice the hair looks right now. That's how we went from this mess you're seeing right here to the beauty you see right now. Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, people would have courage to live a positive life. Bye, love.